Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rolling Skies. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms and a bar. Located in Davenport, just 13 miles from Disney's Blizzard Beach water park, Rolling Skies provides accommodations with a restaurant, an outdoor swimming pool, a fitness center and free Wi-Fi. This property offers access to pool at the pool table, tennis at the tennis court and free private parking. The air-conditioned vacation home consists of 9 separate bedrooms, 7 bathrooms with a hairdryer and free toiletries, and a seating area. Providing pool views, this vacation home also provides guests with a cable flat-screen TV, a well-equipped kitchen with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge, as well as a bathroom with a shower. The vacation home offers a hot tub. A water park is available at Rolling Skies, while guests can also relax on the sun terrace. Disney's Wide World of Sports is 13 miles from the accommodation, while Disney's Boardwalk is 14 miles away. The nearest airport is Winter Haven's Gilbert Airport, 19 miles from Rolling Skies. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.